AGCO Corporation is a Fortune 500 company headquartered near Atlanta, Georgia. So far we don't have manufacturing facilities in Georgia. That's going to change next year, but so far we don't have facilities here in Georgia. However, as one of the biggest manufacturing companies in the area, despite the fact that we are not manufacturing here, we thought we needed to actually contribute to the community of manufacturers in this state, and we selected Georgia Manufacturing Alliance as a platform to network with other manufacturers in Georgia. Benefits that I actually experienced by being part of the Manufacturing Alliance is that my network expanded drastically within Georgia. So if I run into an issue where I need help, I know who to call and how to address it. There's a lot of plant tours that are being provided, and I'm always curious to see how others actually solve their challenges that they are facing that are similar to what we are facing. So with the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance, using that as a platform, you have the advantage that you can take almost unlimited tours to other manufacturers. I personally have not been on any tour yet where I didn't learn anything new. It's either how to do it or not to do it, but I always bring something home from any tour. Also, there is a lot of topics outside of the actual shop floor that are of interest for manufacturers. Just recently here at AGCO we hosted an event where we talked about the impact of the latest tariff situation here in the United States on the large and the small manufacturers. We also talked about the risks that we are facing right now with the increase of the IoT, Industrial Internet of Things, basically on the shop floor. About safety of our networks, about the risks that we are having with data privacy. So it's not just shop floor, it's everything around it, including finance, legal, HR topics. If you are a member, you have a lot of exposure within Georgia because there is basically a handbook that lists all the members. So if you're looking for somebody, for a resource in Georgia, you go to the handbook and you can find what's listed there. And if you are a sponsor, obviously your exposure is even greater. I'm actually very impressed by the dynamics behind Jason and his team. I don't think they ever sleep. There is constantly something in the makes. No matter if it's a plant tour or a round table or a summit, they are go, go, go. They are the Energizer bunnies of the Georgia manufacturing industry.